Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your transactions on Buzzcast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Buzzcast on your mobile device. Tap on the 3 icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now select the wallet icon. Now you can see various options at the top of your screen. Tap on Record. Now you can easily check the transactions that you have performed on Buzzcast. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.